We have a full example here for you. So if your objective is to bake a cake, and actually baking a cake is not a good objective, you should say why. An objective always needs a purpose. So a better objective is, I bake a cake for a birthday party. And that's what you should also do your stuff. Go in a direction, and why do we go in a direction? So bake a cake for a birthday party. The first key result is always internal or leading, means you have to finish the cake at a certain time. That's your work. That's what you always measure, and most companies measure it. But a lot of companies forget to measure the second key result. The second key result should be external. It's about that your friends are happy with this cake. So you are not only making the cake to getting the cake done, you also make the cake to have an impact. And that's also about your work. Not only measure with OKRs that you finish stuff, also measure the impact you have on customers or other teams or partners and so on. Yeah? And then everything you do in order to prepare the cake are actions. Because actions alone don't bring you to the objective. If you just go shopping and you leave it in the fridge, you don't get a cake. If you bake and the baking goes wrong, you don't get a cake. So actions are things which not directly leads to the objective and can go wrong. So it's about trying and failing in an agile environment.